Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2013 Volvo 670 highway tractor. It has 783,500 kilometers on a Cummins ISX 15 engine, 525 horsepower, 1850 torque. It has a Jake brake and full lockers, an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 18918B. Front axle rating is 13,200 pounds in spring suspension. The rear axle rating is 46,000 pounds on axle model RT46160 on Hendrickson air suspension. The ratio is 3.73. Rubber all the way around, 11R 22.5 on aluminum rims all the way around inside and out. Wheelbase 220 inches. Twin fuel tanks, both 150 gallon. A 60-inch single sleeper. The CVI is valid till January 31st, 2018. The unit did have an engine rebuild under warranty at 600,000 kilometers, along with a new clutch and rad. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit. We'll come up close for a tight inspection, and we can see that it has a moose bumper. Looks like single exhaust, and a standard silver color. It's been well maintained, it's very clean. So let's just walk around. We'll come up at the front. We're going to end up going inside, showing you the cab and taking a look under the hood. And we've done a basic walk around. Let's come up a little closer. I'll just pan up the unit here. And let's look at every component here. We'll start with the hood on the passenger side. And steps to the cab. Passenger side look good. The rear of the mirror has some delamination, which is normal. Now let's take a look at the sleeper. I always note the fairings, they're in good shape. And the access is nice and level. Easy access, so I'm going to stand up here and we'll give you a view from the rear of the unit. I'm just going to step back between axles 2 and 3. We have a 3/4 fender here. So I'm just going to go behind it. Here's the Hendrickson suspension. And I'm going to do the same thing here in the driver's side. Come up between the axles. Steps and fairings are good on the driver's side of the unit. Let's take a look at the cab, or the sleeper rather. And we'll pan over to the cab. And the hood looks good too. And let's take a look inside. Upholstery looks in good shape. It's the original upholstery, it appears. I'm just going to show you the panel. The floor looks like there's a vinyl covering over the carpet. And we'll show you the sleeper here. It's a small 60-inch single. And again, nice and clean. Looks like we got some damage here in the seat, I just noticed. And a little bit of a rip on the seat here too. I'm going to start the unit up, take a look under the hood. And there you have it, another good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. 604-996-5159.